Hey everybody, it's Keith with Rocky Mountain Peterbilt Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. Got an absolute gorgeous truck here for you today, especially if you like blue. 2021 Peterbilt 389 extended hood, um, 58-inch flat top for you old school guys. That's the old 48-inch, same thing. Beautiful truck in a legendary blue. Um, Boy, you don't even know where to start on this truck. So clean, so perfect that you think we'll start at the front with the legendary blue and what we did with the headlights. Look at that blue. Wow. Just beautiful. A little dust on it here, but gorgeous, gorgeous blue. You don't find a blue any prettier than that. So what we did is we took the headlights off. Get out of the way. We painted the entire headlight stock. Looks really nice. A lot of times we'll leave this polished and paint from the seam here back. You know, paint the back side of it, which I really like that too. This one just looks great, just legendary blue. Just the whole thing looks really good. Um, did the watermelon lights, 3 watermelon lights in front of the air breathers. I don't know if you can see them or not. We got the internal LED breather lights. Did not do any lights on the backside. Customer didn't want that. Painted the fuel tanks, also legendary blue. 2 polished straps there. Got a 150 on this side, I believe a 110 on the other. The aero mirrors. 2 85-inch wheelbase on this one. And then what we did too is these panels here are painted to match. And then you can see they get the lights, down firing lights. See that there. So it gives it the look of closeouts during the day, and then at night, really a nice look. Everything fires down. Everything on a lot of the stuff on this thing is painted. We did the painted sleeper vent. Really helps with the mag chloride here in Colorado. Got the 30-inch Oak-built quarter fenders. This one we did a matching blue frame. I got with Exalta, got the matching paint code to the legendary blue in a non-metallic blue. It's close, but it's really hard to match the glass effect paint. So you cannot get a metallic frame from Peterbilt. Disc brakes all the way around. Peterbilt Low-Air Leaf suspension. There's your disc brakes. Everything back here is blue. Got the aluminum fifth wheel from Holland. Helps saves a little weight. This guy hauls fuel. Put the taillights, reverse light in the rear cross member. Really helps with the snow and ice, not tearing stuff up. Low Pro 24.5s. I'm sorry. Low Pro 22.5s. 275 ADR 22.5s on this one. And this one's also 355 gears. So this is a climber. And that's where this truck's going to spend its life, in the mountains. So large def tank. I'm sorry, we have dual 150s on this one with a large def tank. I'll let you guys, I'll let you figure out what he's probably going to do. I can't say. Hard to tell. Did a logger mount antenna on the back of the sleeper and a center mounted CB antenna on the back of the sleeper. Real clean look. Did a visor on the back window with a sliding back window. 6 load lights. Got an esbar heater right there. And you notice we don't have any catwalk or anything. That's because we didn't do any access steps. So we don't have any handles on the back of the sleeper, which is really nice, really a clean look. We can always add access steps. And we can add a catwalk there. You know, you could put an access step right there very easily. So just a little bit different look, a little bit different twist. Back up here a little bit and you can see this truck is going to have a nice balanced look if we can relocate that def tank or if it disappears for some reason. Painted the air tank underneath the driver's door there. Again, there's the closeouts all painted. Very clean look, very nice. Nice looking. It wraps all the way around the corner. If we can get in there and you can see. So, good looking truck, well laid out. One thing we do here is we do the outboard mounted air slide. So if for some reason you wanted to extend this forward, it's very easy to add some angle iron and some flat iron. Just extend it forward. Makes it really simple. If for some reason the fifth wheel's in the wrong place, it's much easier to move. So just thought I'd show you that. That's just something that we do differently. Let's take a look here at the Cummins. The Cummins X15. 565 horsepower, 2050 torque. Air ride steer axle. Sorry it's dirty right now. I had to run it up from the body shop. Disc brakes on the front. The body shop that did this was Diversified Body and Paint in Henderson, Colorado. They do good work. Very good work. Davco fuel filter. Got the remote lube. There's your air ride. Dual leveling valves. Always do the dual leveling valves. Disc brakes. We get the frame painted to match. It comes all the way up front. So pretty much standard underneath the hood. And then we did the we also did the painted visor, as you can see there, and added 2 extra lights on the top. And then we made all the lights LED and cleared them all. Same with the watermelon breather lights. So you got the platinum interior. See if you'll fire back up. Did full gauges on this one, and it's the full 23 gauge package. So that's your A panel. Here's your B panel. We got 5x3, so you got 15 gauges in this panel. In the 8 in the A panel, that's what they call a 23 gauge setup. So over here, we've got your inner axle differential lock, your fifth wheel, pops it open so you can slide it, air suspension dump, and then we did a PTO switch. Gives you a really clean look. Got all your switches stacked and a full panel of gauges. AM/FM CD player with Bluetooth. 18 speed tranny with 355 gears. This thing ought to really climb. Factory CB. We did a factory train horn underneath. I'm sorry, factory. Not a factory kit. We do that here at the dealership. Can't get a train horn from the factory. Got a switch for your automatic traction control so you can shut it off if you need to. Your off-road switch. What that does is it allows you, if you're stuck in snow or sand, ice, something where you got to rock the truck back and forth to get out, you want to shut that off so that you can use your power, because otherwise the truck thinks you're sliding and it does weird things. Tilt telescope steering, black interior. There's our extra parts. Sliding window. We didn't do quite as fancy of an interior. You can't get that in these 58-inch. So you get the snap locks, but they don't rattle or make any noise. And here's your esbar heater. And all your controls. And your there's the esbar heater. Peterbilt comfort control sleeper and alarm clock. And this one wanted a cup holder in it. A lot of guys do. Makes it a little narrow getting through there because this cab just not as big as a 567 or a 579 cab. There's the look down the hood that everybody likes, including me. And we painted the back side of the visor as well, and all the brackets. So really a good look. Oh, and we forgot to tell you about the window chops. Color matched window chops. I really like those. So you can roll down your window here. Really nice. I have those on my pickup too. I love them. So just thought I'd go over this one with you. 2021, 285 wheelbase, 355 gears. Give you one more view of it before we call it a video. Absolutely gorgeous truck. Thank you, Danny Wolf down there at Diversified Paint and Body. Did fantastic work. Didn't take them very long. Now we just got to get it detailed up and delivered to the customer. So we appreciate everything. Thank you for watching. It's Keith Couch with Rocky Mountain Peterbilts, Rush Truck Center in Greeley, Colorado. 970-691-3877. Or you can email me at couchk, that's COUCHK, @rushenterprises.com. Thank you for watching. Take care.